In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate ChatGPT with GoHighLevel. We're going to walk through this step by step. So even if you're new to automations, just follow along and pause as you need. By the end, you'll have a workflow that automatically uses ChatGPT inside GoHighLevel. First, log into your GoHighLevel account and head straight to your Launchpad. This is the main starting area where you can access all the key tools in your account. From here, look for the option labeled Automation. Go ahead and click on Automation to open up the Workflows section. Once you're in Automation, you'll see a list of existing workflows, if you have any, and a button to create something new. Click on Create Workflow. A window or panel will appear asking how you want to start. For this setup, choose Start from Scratch. This gives you a completely blank workflow, so you have full control over what happens. Now that you've got an empty workflow canvas, you need to tell GoHighLevel what should trigger this automation. Click on Add New Trigger. This defines when the workflow will start. For this example, choose Form Submitted. That means whenever someone submits a specific form, it will kick off the ChatGPT action. You could choose a different trigger in your own setup, but we'll stick with a form submission to keep things simple. Give your workflow trigger a clear name so you recognize it later, something that describes when it fires, and then click Save Trigger. Naming things well is important as your account grows, so use labels that make sense to you and your team. Next, look at your workflow path and find the small plus icon above the end step. Click on that plus icon to add a new action. In the action search field that appears, start typing ChatGPT. From the options that show up, select GPT powered by OpenAI. This is the built-in ChatGPT integration inside GoHighLevel. You'll now see settings for this action. Click into the action name field and give it a descriptive name, like what you expect ChatGPT to do here, so it's easy to find later. Then open the model dropdown and select the GPT model you want to use. Choose the one that matches your account and your needs. Next, choose the action type from the drop-down options. This controls how GoHighLevel will use the ChatGPT response in your workflow. After that, click into the prompt field and add your prompt or instructions. Be as specific as possible. Tell ChatGPT what it should do, the tone it should use, and what information it should base its response on. When you're happy with your setup, scroll down and click on Save Action. That's it. You've now integrated ChatGPT into your GoHighLevel workflow and connected it to a real trigger, so it can run automatically whenever that event occurs.